How to install 32mm white plastic bottle trap complete with waste plug SS top. Accessories: flat washer, basin plastic bottle trap complete with vertical pipe. Flange, 170mm horizontal pipe complete with tapered washer. Plug with handle, stainless steel top waist, screw, PVC O-ring, plastic base. Place PVC O-ring onto plastic base. Place SS top waist onto basin outlet and slot in screw into the center of SS top waist. Connect plastic base with O-ring over the screw and tighten. Place flat washer into bottle trap vertical pipe. And connect to the plastic base. Loosen bottle trap round nut to slide vertical pipe to its desired length and tighten accordingly. Install horizontal pipe with flange and tapered washer facing inwards. Tighten accordingly. Fill with water. Unplug for water flow. Check for any leakage by closing outlet pipe with your palm. Note: if leakage detected, ensure all above procedure were done as per video instruction.